No, recording is on. Okay. I will share you a recording.
So during histogram, we can make graph maybe according to x-axis, maybe according to y-axis.
Y-axis. Yes.
So you right now you just make graph according to y-axis.
This one, when you type here, you need, for example, I type this. This one is, it will consider it as x-axis or y-axis. It means we don't mention which is x-axis or where is y-axis. Just type your axis name. It show that x or y aesthetic. In error must only have an x or y aesthetic. Just only provide. It will consider it as is a x-axis or y-axis. It will show only on x-axis.
Yeah, this is my question. I mean, we can only choose one.
Choose one.
So in this way, we can make two graphs. One is on the basis of x-axis and one is on the basis of y-axis.
Y-axis. Okay. Now, another important question: from where we get the name of these plot? I type here box plot, line plot, density plot, histogram, but lot of other names are available which you can draw by using a qplot function. So no one thing is more important. If you want to fill the color, you can apply a fill option. For example, I want to fill density. Click on after color equals species and type comma and write fill. Fill equal, again type species. You can copy this species, copy and paste here, and now run this code. No, you get a filled a plot with different colors. Similarly, when you want to fill histogram, again copy, copy and paste here, field equal species, and run this code. Now you will get a filled histogram. Copy and paste. Okay. No, the question is from where we get these names, because lot of names, lot of plots are available in R. So the best option to get these name, just type here geom. When you type geom, you will get a list of names. First is abline, area, bar, bin to D, bin to D, blank, box plot, color, counter, counter field, crossbar, curve, density. So lot of plots names are available in this list. So just violin, copy this one and replace with it with line, because we need two axes, and run. Now you will get violin plot, copy and share it within group. Okay. Now, so your today practice is, or task is, just type geom. After geom, type underscore. No, first is abline. Start from first and till do practice at end or last graph. So copy abline, because all these plots are mostly plots are for need two axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. So copy code which with both axes. So line, no, replace line with abline, change heading, abline plot, and also replace abline with violin, and run. No, you will get abline plot. No, again area, select area, just copy after geom and before bracket area and paste here, or replace a blind with area and run this code. No, you will get area plot, again replace area, again here is a bar graph will give you error, copy, because bar graph needs some statistics. So I will teach you in next step how you draw a bar plot. So just check it, bar. Now it show that stat count must only have x or y. So you can also give here x or y axis, but if you need both, you need to apply statistics. So if I give only just one axis, it may be show bar plot. No, it give a bar plot looking like a histogram. So now again replace bar, again type underscore and get bin 2D. Just copy bin 2D and replace this one, because no we only one axis, we need to copy the code with two axes. And replace violin with bin 2D and run this code. No, you get a plot with bin 2D. Copy and share it within group. So all participants, please do all this plot. The plot which you have done, it's good, but the plot which show you error, try to read caused by error in setup parameters. So read and understand what is error showing. But if you are unable to understand or unable to do what this code is demanding, or its need or its requirement, so ignore it and move to next plot. For example, I want to apply, again type geom. When you type geom, list open, type here bin 2D, copy and change bin 2D with and do run. No, you will get bin 2D, copy and share it within group. Again type geom, box plot color counter, just copy counter, copy, replace counter and run code. No, it show that stat counter requires the following missing aesthetic Z. It's mean we need 3-dimensional. So ignore this plot now, because we have provide X and Y axis, but it also need Z axis. So ignore this plot and move to next step. Now again type geom and count crossbar. Click on crossbar, copy and replace crossbar with counter and run. It again show errors. It show that it is requires the following missing aesthetic: y minimum and y maximum, or x maximum. So again ignore this plot and move to next step. So the plot which you have done, copy and share it within group, and the plot which shows you error, just ignore and move to next step. Because these errors are showing because some the ficus data set is not built in for all type of the graph. So to create a count bar, crossbar, we need some different type of data. So ignore these, and when these type of data come, I will show you these plots. Okay. Now again type geom and try to create curve, copy this curve, copy, and replace crossbar with curve and run this code. It again show that x and y and again ignore. Type geom, type here dot plot, copy dot plot, copy, and replace it with curve, paste and run. So it again showing us the missing a static y. So maybe we provide it just only y-axis and run. No, it give us a dot plot. So copy and share it within group. So all participants please uh, do practice all on these plots. The plot which you have done good, but the plot which shows you error, ignore this error and move to next plot. Okay. Please all participants let me know, have you done this code successfully and have you questions related to this code or script? Have you done successfully? Please type done if you have done. Are you hearing me? Okay. I shared this code. One more thing is that if your supervisor say please change theme or background of this plot, you can also change theme or background. For example, after this code, you need to type plus. This is a second layer. So plus type theme underscore. You can select classic and run this code. No, theme is changed. Copy and share it within group. No, theme changed. If you want to apply another theme, you can try all these themes. Check theme, line draw. This is the line draw theme. Copy and share within group. Okay. Now I am sharing all this code within group. Okay. And now in our next class, we will do practice on ggplot2. And if you want to save this code, save the script, just click on save current document. Click on this. It will show you location where you want to save this plot and give a file name. For example, I gave a name quick plot, qplot, and save it on desktop. No, this file name is changed from untitled to qplot. Okay, I know it's okay. Have you got it today class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Please all must do practice on geom. Just type geom and try to draw all these type of plots, which is created. Okay, and if give error, ignore and move to next plot. Okay. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Sir, I have a question for you.
Yes, please.
Sir, if this class is end, I need to talk in another topic.
Yes, please, you can talk.
Sir, I have given you the account informations. Did Mr. Ashraful replied to your replied anything regarding to my transaction?
Oh, oh, I have sent message to Dr. Ashraful Islam, but I think he is unavailable. Don't worry. When he received or he informed me or let me know, I think he is Ashraful Islam. Okay, I contact him, and when he reply, I will let you know. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.